In a big update, several health experts have questioned the side effects caused by Covishield vaccine. The vaccine developer, aka British-Swedish multinational pharmaceutical and biotechnology company AstraZeneca, has developed in court papers that its Covishield vaccine can cause rare side effects. Currently, AstraZeneca is facing a lawsuit in a UK-based high court that claims that the COVID vaccine can cause deaths. Also, 51 cases have been filed against the firm. Thus, in one of its court papers, the biotechnology giant revealed that in a very rare case, the Covishield vaccine can cause thrombosis and thrombocytopenia syndrome or TTS. What is TTS? TTS is a rare but serious condition that can cause blood clot formation coupled with low platelet counts. It typically shows symptoms like severe headache, abdominal pain, leg swelling, shortness of breath, and neurological deficits. If left unattended, TTS can cause severe complications including organ damage and death. Note that the cases came to light within months of the vaccination drive in Europe, with some countries halting the use of AstraZeneca's vaccine. What does it mean for Covishield users in India? The Government Committee on Adverse Events Following Immunization has already registered 36 TTS cases and confirmed 18 deaths in India since 2021. However, Indian manufacturers can't join the British petitioner due to legal hurdles like approvals from different regulators, as the vaccine was manufactured by India-based Serum Institute that is subject to Indian jurisdiction and laws. Senior Health Ministry official also informed various media channels that TTS still rarer in India and South Asian countries. Besides, the risk is not only rare but is high only in the few first weeks after the first vaccination. Most Indians have already had 3 shots and it has been a long time since.